Okay, greetings and welcome everyone. Now, the question is, it comes up a lot in the emails is, why do Qigong before the initiation course? And, the answer here is pretty simple. The Qigong covers the essential exercise of initiation. It is initiation, basically. But it's framed in such a way to get rapid results. It's framed in such a way to give a foundation for martial artists, because that's part of my life purpose, sharing knowledge with martial artists of a spiritual nature. And it's really, really important to get your life force and element skill tangible, that you can make temperature changes in your body. You can create electric and magnetic fields in your body in such a way that when you put information in, it directly goes into your subconscious, it goes into your energy field. And you want to be able to do that within yourself and within others. Once you're able to do that, the exercises within the initiation process become much easier, because you can enliven clear, concise information with life force, which materialize energy from your unconscious to your conscious experience as you practice the exercises. So the exercise simply become easier to do. There's a whole range of tools for that. If you're doing the second book on evocation, you've got to have the doors open for three transformations, so the being you're bringing through is able to affect the mental, astral, and physical worlds. And that's your Qigong skills, your three transformations. So they're essential. If you're doing Kabbalah, you've got to tune into the frequency of the letter inside the Akasha and bring it through the mental, astral, and physical worlds, and it's got to be tangible. It all comes from your Qigong skill. So if I can borrow you for a moment. I touch his base first to define base. Once I've got that frequency, I just remember it. And I vital breathe into my partner until I get to float, until his balance just pops a little bit outside of his body. Now from there, say I want to do some evocational type of work, I've got to do three transformations. So I draw the magic circle around my partner's feet, open a bit of Akasha there, so I affect the physical matrix, and then I relax that energy from his feet, from the physical, through the vital, astral, going up through the crown. Once I've got his crown open, and this waving of his balance is the signature I'm looking for, that his physical body responded, his astral body responded, his mental body balance responded. And then I feel the crown, open it up a bit more, then I connect it to the effect that I want. So in this case, we work with the sun sphere. I invite a being in the sun sphere I'm used to working with. I place it above his crown. Then I run light through that being, through his three bodies, to prepare the internal space. This is all training from Qigong, with the exception of connecting to the sun, but all the other exercises come from that. And I want to pass it all the way through his body into the ground, at least a handspan below his feet into the ground. So now it's connected into the magic circle, and then from there I invite that spirit to enter through his crown into his mental body, to move into the center of the astral, and then connect to his physical. Once I've got it connected to three bodies, I want to connect him to the ground underneath as well, so he can utilize gravity inside his field. Now from there, I'll use prayers to create effects. Why prayers? Because they have very clear, definitive intention and effect. So I'll put a prayer for the divine eye to open. So connect to the divine eye. And that deity goes and looks at that frequency and the resistance to that frequency, and he starts to release and open the divine eye. Now this exercise may take several minutes. We have a guest that just popped up outside, so I'll finish off the video quickly. But from there, you would show gratitude towards the deity, relax the deity back up to above the crown and back into the sun sphere, release, show gratitude. And the foundation ability to do that is in the Qigong course. So you have good Qigong skill, you can use your mind to affect the mental, astral, physical worlds. Thank you, sir. And that skill allows you, mind moves Qi, Qi moves body, basic internal skill. My mind leads his Qi and affects his body, basic internal skill. And you apply all the magical framework of Hermetics, initiation, evocation, Kabbalah, and you can make it work. All right, hope that answers your question. Thanks for your time, everyone. See you on the next video.